This video is a review of the CoinStat Premium, whether you should buy it or not. So, CoinStat Premium is a powerful tool to consider. It lets you connect unlimited wallets and exchanges so you can track all your assets in one place, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs, or DeFi tokens. Premium gives you advanced analytics, including detailed profit and loss breakdown, portfolio allocation, and even fee tracking. You also get real-time price alerts and notification, which are great for staying ahead of market moves. One standout feature is their AI powered tools like the smart NFT alerts and price estimation during bull markets, helping you make smarter decisions. So this plan starts around $14 per month with discounts if you pay annually. There's also a 7-day free test to test out. And if you want a comprehensive all-in-one portfolio manager, then CoinStat Premium is definitely worth checking out.